Hey, what's up kids? Welcome back to String Cheese and Applesauce, where today we're going to build the Lego Friends Emma's house. This is set number 41095. Age range is 6 to 12 and comes with 706 pieces. We'll probably have to break this down to at least 2 videos. So this will be the first one. So this is going to be the cool one, I guess, where we get to see the opening of the box and building some of the cool minifigures and whatever else may be in there. So let's go ahead and break the seal. Just like that. There's the contents. There we go. So this is pretty cool. We have a cardboard and bag piece that has the instructions and the sticker sheet in there. That way they don't get all folded up and wrinkled, which is nice. We have a couple loose plates, so those are not in bags, and then we have other plates that are in an unnumbered bag, so we'll put those to the side. And now we get into our numbered bags. So we've got quite a few in here. This is why I'm saying we may have to break this video up into a couple separate builds. We have bag 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and bag 1. Those are all of our lovely bags. Go ahead and break the seal of the instruction pack here very gently so I don't cut myself. Alright, so we have a sticker sheet kind of on this foil reflective paper, so you can see the light shining off of that. We have instruction book 1, instruction book 3, and instruction book number 2. Let's put those in order so we build it in the right order. And let's go ahead and start with bag 1. Why not? It only makes sense, right? To start with the first bag. Let me zoom in a bit here so we can kind of see what's up. And of course we have instruction book 1. So, instruction book says we're going to use also one of the plates that are in this unnumbered bag. So we'll take out one of these tan plates, and we're going to be using one of the big green plates. Looking at the pieces in here, we did get a small bag of small pieces. Put that off to the side. And we've got our minifigures, mini dolls. So the first one we're going to do is, of course, Emma. One of the most popular Lego friends ever. Or is she? What is your favorite Lego friend character? I'm curious. Taking a poll. So right now, whoever's watching this, you have to put in the comments below your favorite. That's not her head. She does not have a beard. You have to put your favorite Lego Friends character. Is it Emma? It's not mine. I know which character is my favorite. It's not Emma. Nothing against Emma. She's a cool figure. Is she my favorite? No. I have others I prefer. So we've got Emma, and this is Louis. Louis or Louis? How you say it? How you say Louis? Alright. Oh, and don't forget the cool little baby blue colored bike. And I've done other videos with the bike, but in case you don't know, these bikes were originally designed for standard Lego minifigures. So when you put a friend's mini doll on there, their hands do not line up with the handlebars. So there is absolutely no way that they can hang on. They are just trying to hang on for the ride. Slight design flaw there, but something you can get over pretty quick. Or maybe you can't, but I can. Something I can deal with. If you can't deal with it, sorry. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Alright, so we're starting off with this sand colored plate, which is actually going to be the inside of the house, because the green color is the outside, the grass basically. We'll start by attaching some of these plates, which are overlapping the green and the sand colored one, which in turn will help hold it all together. And these little Technic bricks will connect all of the pieces of the house together. Some bushes to help hide them. And then we've got these non-friction Technic pins that will go in each one of those holes. And you'll see when we get to it how it's going to hold the other parts of the house together. I'm not saying I know everything, but I've built quite a few of these sets to where I know kind of what's each piece is being used for. I'm not saying I'm the smartest person alive, but I don't know anyone smarter than me. That's a joke. Let the hate comments begin. If you're watching this video, I hope you have a good sense of humor, because I make a lot of dry jokes, and sometimes it upsets people because they don't understand, I guess, humor in general. So don't be offended by anything I say. It's all just out of fun. We're all here to have fun, right? If you're not here for fun, then you're on the wrong video. Because this is only fun. These are some of my favorite window pieces. The 3 divided lights. So you can see quickly, just stacking some of these big panels and big tall bricks, how we're already starting to form out the shape of something. Oh, and this piece was supposed to have a little sticker on it. Should we put stickers on this? Should we? Tell me. Tell me now. Tell me now. Well, I guess since this is already recorded, you can't tell me. I am going to put stickers on them just for you guys, because I've done it in the past with no stickers, and the amount of crying that ensues is unbelievable. So for all you sticker lovers out there, that's for you. Of course, watch now, as soon as I start putting stickers on, they'll find something else to cry about, or tell me I'm doing wrong, or, you know, can't win. You just can't win. It's like having kids in real life. You know, they'll cry, you'll give them what they want, and then they'll find something else to cry about. You just can't win. Oh yeah, keep in mind, I'm still joking. Remember those jokes I was telling you about? before you go down there to the comments and make the hate. Remember, we're all laughing on the inside. It's funny, right? Some flowers. Ooh, curb appeal. Got some curb appeal with this Emma's house. And the phone just randomly hanging on the outside of the door. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know about you, but I'm not leaving my cell phone hanging outside the house. Side windows. Let's see what else we have. We've got some more curb appeal. Emma and Luis, why you fall down? You stand up. Stop falling down. More curb appeal. Give me some foliage. Right there. And a round tile. What the heck is a round tile just randomly doing there? That's weird. All right, door time. Got a door frame. We've got this purplish pink door. This is house number 37. How do I know that? Well, that's what the sticker says. What if you don't want your house to be number 37? Too bad. It's the only number they gave you on the sticker sheet. That's what's so great about sticker sheets. You don't even have to use your imagination. They pretty much force you to do whatever they tell you. Remember that joke I was telling you about? That's joking. Well, it's actually not a joke. It's true. There is no other sticker but 37, so yeah, every house in your Heart Lake City will be house number 37. Sorry. Cannot help you with that. I mean, I tried. I told you kids not to put stickers on. But the amount of backlash. It's like, they have to do it. You have to. It just makes it look so much better, right? I mean, it does look kind of cool. Kind of cool. Alright, now we have some lights, cameras, and actions. Got this brick with a little gun-shaped piece in there with a trans yellow cone, a little flower on the bottom. That makes our cool little hanging house light. Then we have another one over here, except there's no light in it yet. There may be something in it, but it won't be a light. Very cool. So that holds everything together. Now we've got some tiles to go on the top, and this will allow other levels to be stacked on top. Alright, that's bag one. Done with bag one. Have some extra pieces right here. Just a small little random Technic tiles, a few little accessory pieces. Oh yeah, and we got a brick separator. Time for bag 2. Bag 2 is adding exterior details to what we have already. So there's kind of our random part assortment. Got a tiny, tiny little bag inside of the big bag. Keep those pieces off to the side. So we're going to start off with 5 of the round tiles. And 6 of these smaller ones. 2 faux, 6 faux show. Alright, so what we're going to build is this little cobblestone or flagstone path walking up to the front door. And I'm building it pretty much just like they show in the instruction sheet. To be honest with you, you can build it however you want. I'm sure they've given me extra pieces anyway, so I may stick, let's see, there are 2 extras, and I have 1 other from the first bag. So if we don't use these on anything else in this bag, I will be putting them on that pathway. And as much as I guess everyone likes to follow the instructions, think about the Lego movie and how the whole point of that movie was to, you know, kind of think for yourself, build whatever comes to mind. Use the instructions more as a guide, not necessarily as the law. It doesn't have to be done that way. So I usually build these, for these videos I build them pretty much exactly like the instructions go, just for dramatic purposes or cinematic reasons, or just for you kids, to help you guys out. But if I weren't doing these videos, I'd be building them and modifying them however I want to. Maybe you guys want to see that. I don't mind doing videos where I take these sets and completely just bash them up and make things unique. So this is interesting. This little leafy green piece has a little sprue attached to it that you remove. So that's a piece that was used for producing this piece. So we have that. We're going to attach one of these 3 stem pieces on there. And we also have some flowers that go on there. And these are the traditional flowers. I like kind of the newer stud flowers, like these. I really like those because they have a little bit more profile, stand out a little bit more in my opinion. But the traditional ones are cool. They give a good variety. And we're going to have a few pillars along the front. Next up is a couple little vine pieces. And the vine pieces have the newish type of stud flowers that I like. And these are the only ones that'll stick to these type of foliage pieces. The traditional flowers only attach to the little stems. There's a piece of vine that goes on that other stud that we had on that wall. And then we'll stick this little green stem through that hole. That'll hold that vine in place so it actually doesn't fall off. So we'll turn the model around, and now we'll start looking at some of the interior details. So we'll start with this 2x2 light bluish gray plate. 2 clear bricks on there. A tile with a Technic pin on it. And this modified plate with the Technic holes. Those go right there. And this is kind of cool. We're gonna make a television set, maybe? Sticker time. Well, in case you didn't know it was a television set, they printed on the sticker TV. Right down there. It stands for television. So we got a flat screen TV on a swiveling stand. Next up is a couch, maybe? I'm guessing a couch. I'm gonna guess it's a couch, some sort of chair. We're still doing interior details, so there's gotta be something on the inside. Lime green and light purple couch. Right there. So you can watch TV. Next up, is a little coffee table with a bowl of fruit. Giant bowl with a giant apple in it. Where's our TV remote? Maybe it's the phone that's hanging outside the door on the outside of the house. Maybe that's our TV remote. We have a little bouquet of flowers. So not only do we have curb appeal, we have interior appeal. You can see right there, that's the sticker we put on earlier. It's a little umbrella bucket. All right, moving on. This is a little accessory piece. What will it be? What will it be? I don't know. Unless I have the box sitting in front of me and I'm looking at it, which I may have. I may know what this is. I may not. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you that I know what it is. Alright, so what we're making is basically a little birdhouse. It's really no surprise, no secret. So there's the house part. And then we're going to have a little stand that will help hold it up. A little piece there, there. And there. So there's our little birdhouse accessory. And that completes instruction book 1 and bag number 2. So, a couple things here. We have our exterior. Remember I was telling you, if there was any of these left over, I'm going to use them. And this is the spot where we're done with this step that I'm going to use them. So I'm going to put another little tile there and another little tile there. That's pretty cool. We have a few extra pieces. You can see them right here. That went to the TV. This is another little faucet here for the hose spigot thing. Got another bucket handle, the green leafy thing. So, and then these little extra flowers and green things. So I'm going to actually use one of them. Put it right over here. Have a little extra greenery on the outside of our house. And we do have another little flower piece. So, and then a couple extra flowers. We don't have enough flowers to use on all the stems. But what we do have, like I was telling you earlier, is these newer pieces actually do fit on these stems. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of those on there. And then 2 of the yellow flowers. And now we have, and this one was left over from bag 1. So you can see I'm slowly using all of the extra pieces. And I'll actually stick it on this. Well, there's a green one over here. The green one. Stick it on that stud. And right there. So like I said, I'm just kind of taking all the extra pieces that come with the set and finding uses for them, because the whole point of Lego is, you know, inspiration, kind of give you ideas to build things and build stuff on your own. Build whatever you want. So that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and stop it now. We're going to probably break this up into 3 separate videos. We'll cover each instruction book with 1 video. So that's what we have so far. If you're sad that this video is over, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the other 2 videos. Give us a big thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram. We have pictures of this build as we're doing it. Before this video was even on YouTube, so best way to follow us and see what's going on is on the Instagram at String Cheese and Applesauce. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.